Hey everyone, today on Thriving with PKU, we're going to be using one of my favorite ingredients, cauliflower. On the simplified diet, I count cauliflower as free. So today we're going to be making breaded cauliflower, and I'm going to show you some ways that you can add some sauces on to make it a really, really good dinner. Let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need to make breaded cauliflower. So first you're gonna need cauliflower. We're gonna be using Flavis grissini. They're like crunchy breadsticks. We're gonna crush them up and use them as our breadcrumbs. They're very low in protein and affordable. This egg replacer I love. I found it at my Sprouts, but I've seen it at some other grocery stores too. You can use it for baking to replace your eggs, but I'm using it today to make the breadcrumbs stick to the cauliflower. And then I'm gonna be adding sauces onto my cauliflower once it's all crunchy and really yummy. Today I'm gonna use my honey garlic sauce, and I'll link the video to how to make this and also put it in the description box below, but I wanted to give you some other ideas too. These are ones that you could buy at your grocery store that are low in protein. This is a sweet and sour sauce. This one's a little bit higher in protein than the orange sauce. I really like this one, even for stir fries too. This one's really good because it's really low in protein and it kind of tastes like orange chicken. Not like I know what that tastes like, but anyways, let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna start by cutting our cauliflower. You could buy cauliflower already cut into florets, and that would work too. So now I'm going to start with the Flavis grissini, and I'm just taking the bottom of a clean cup and I'm just going to crunch it down so that it gets to be like breadcrumb size. Alright, so now I'm going to take my egg replacer and I'm going to combine it with water. So on the back of the egg replacer it says 2 tablespoons of water for each tablespoon of egg replacer. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons of egg replacer. You can always mix more if you need more later. Then you gotta mix it up really good. And once it's mixed, we're gonna let it sit for a minute, and it makes it like really sticky and literally perfect for dunking the cauliflower in to stick the breadcrumbs on. So I set out a little line here that I'm gonna do my cauliflower, my egg replacer, my breadsticks, my grissini breadsticks, and then a lined baking tray. And I'm just gonna take my cauliflower and dunk the top part in this egg replacer. It's all sticky. And then I just spread it around in here. And then I'm gonna throw it on my baking tray, and I'm just gonna keep going till I've done all my cauliflower. Okay, so once you've filled your pan with your cauliflower, you're gonna throw it in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the breadcrumbs start to look brown and crunchy. Okay, so they're all done in the oven. I'm gonna just take them. They look so yummy and brown and crispy, and put them on my tray right here. Okay, so now that I've put them on my tray, you can grab whatever sauce you're choosing to use and drizzle them over. You could also dunk them if you want. It's up to you, and you have a delicious, crunchy cauliflower treat. So thanks you guys for watching. Make sure you check out the description box below for the directions and the step-by-step directions and the ingredients. And I'll see you all next Tuesday on Thriving with PKU.